Thanks for coming back. Candida products safe if you've got low butyrate and acetate levels. Well, what are butyrate and acetate? Well, we call these things short-chain fatty acids. They're basically produced by beneficial bacteria in the colon. Okay, acetate, propionate, butyrate. There are I think 3 or 4 different types of these fatty acids. Many good types of beneficial bacteria actually produce these by anaerobic fermentation. Okay, so they bust up. Basically, different long chain sugars or starches get broken down, and they get bacteria act on these things and produce these products, organic products called SFCAs, short chain fatty acids. Now, the short chain fatty acids are very important. Okay, they control the pH in the colon. Okay, they stop it from getting too acid, too alkaline. They maintain a nice pH balance for beneficial bacteria to grow. Akkermansia marsupialis, very important beneficial bacteria. Prevotella, Lactobacillus. There are so many types of good bacteria that we need to keep our cholesterol in check, to reduce the chances of us developing cancers, to regulate the immune system in the gut. They even produce different vitamins, for example, so it's very important that we've got good levels. The Candida products have no real effect on butyrate or acetate. If you want to really get these guys up and balanced and in high level, it's all about the right kind of foods to eat. Fermented foods, cultured foods, foods high in lactic acid, foods that I like to eat, like, for example, sauerkraut is an excellent producer of acetate. You can boost up short-chain fatty acids really well by eating good dietary fibers. Sweet potatoes, right? Parsnips, carrots, pumpkin. Lots of good foods will help to feed these bacteria and produce these short chains. You're not going to have an issue with Candida products with short chain fatty acid production. It's not really going to happen. I tested too many people over a long period of time on Candida products to tell you now that the butyrate and acetate, in fact, were favoring, had an advantage, not disadvantage, so there's no problem there at all. The kick thing here that you need to learn, the kicker here to learn, is you need to eat the right types of dietary fibers to get awesome levels of short chain fatty acids, which confer fantastic health benefits to you. And you're not going to build really good gut health on Coke and pizza, not really, and French fries and stuff. We know that by now. Thanks for the question.